Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4 easy cell phone holders. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. In phone stand number 1, I'm going to use a pizza box. And I've just cut probably a 10-inch by 4-inch section. And I'm going to fold it in half. Like that. And then I'm going to cut it like this. And like this. Like that. Now I'm going to stand it up. And I can set my phone in like this. Or like that. For the next one, I'm going to use Styrofoam Cup. And I'm going to cut it out. And I can place my phone down like that. Or like that. For the next one, I'm again going to use a paper cup or a Styrofoam cup. I'm going to cut like that. Go around to the other side, do the same thing. And now you can set your phone down like that. For the last one, I have a paper towel roll. I'm going to flatten it down and cut a small section from the bottom. And I'm going to cut it like this and like this. And you can set your phone in like that. And there you go. That's 4 different ways to make easy cell phone holders. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.